Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, a lot of people have been out here saying Uchusne needs some sort of professional help. We saw on yesterday on last night's episode when Umatsele came in Zumbe, she decided to pause at her house where Usne stays, you guys. And towards the end of the conversation that they had, Umatsele offers Usne, she says to Usne, I should take you to go and see a psychologist. Guys, the way Engabenga corner, she's like, I matter, no. Like she was like even like a bit irritated at that of the fact that she refuses to go and see a psychologist. So my question is, what do you do in an instance like this, you guys? Angazi, guys, I think one thing we should do, most of us, is that we should go back to season 1 and watch Uthando Nesthembu from episode 1. And like because some things, guys, I'm just like, they're not clicking for me. I can't remember, but I do think there was a time where Usne, they did do isigo for her or something like that. So I don't know Usne, guys, bazomsiza kanjani, because when it comes to psychological help, she feels that she doesn't need it, or at least she says ukuthi she doesn't feel like she needs to speak to anyone concerning her problems. So what then is the way forward? Because the way she's even parenting Usne, it's a passive type of parenting. She knows ukuthi whatever she's going to tell Usne ingena ngalana iphuma ngalana, Sne's going to do whatever she wants to do. Umselegu he's using sandla, and I feel like that thing is not really helping. So what way do you use with a child, guys, who doesn't even see ukuthi they need a help for psychologist? Like when Zanjan, because in Dabaka, guys, do you understand ukuthi the only person that really cares about her children is Umatsele? God forbid, what if something happens to Umatsele? What's going to happen with Usne's kids? Does it mean they're going to suffer? Because it looks like Usne, yena, I don't know, guys, ukuthi like what is going on with Usne. Because I'm like, Sne, like abazali bayakhula, abazali, they grow up, bayashona, and like what then becomes of your children? Do you understand what I'm saying? Like in the Bayakwana, it's sad, and I really don't know like how are they going to work around, or how does a person who does not acknowledge Inga, how did they really get help at this point? I don't know, because next thing when this season ends, we're going to see an interview of Usne saying, yeah, mina banandaba ngami, here there's a new wife who's younger than me, they take care of her, but they're not taking care of me. Like, guys, yeah, ngeke Usne. Guys, anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do tell me, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.